Right, ladies and gentlemen, ndadzoka manje pane nyaya iri kuitika. Nyaya yekwashabangu iyi haisiriyo nyaya yekuti ndingati ndauya unotaura kuti ari kuindosa president Edi Mnangagwa. Nyaya iyo ndakataura kasingapere panapa, vamwe makauya mukambotaura zvekupenga, uchazviona, chinchi nhasi ndimi maari kuzviona manje. Saka oneranai mupedzire. Ende kune ma-MP akawanda vari kundifonera, shaona iwo chichitanzwa nyaya yakadai utaura pana MP odofumura hatikuziva kuti ndiani chinchi. Relax, I'm not that kind of person wekuti ndinongoputidza madhiri ese. Ndakangotaurawo kungoti munhu ane vanhu vake ngaangotsura vanhu vake vadzikame, because tinenge tichizivawo nyaya dzenyu. Mukazoya pana makungoda ngoti itira dzungu toita kuzoratidzana kuti who is who. And inini I'm not here. Ndaida kungoti ndingobvondora vanhu ivavo kuitira kuti vaone kuti anything can happen, kuti ubva wanyatsovadzinga basa vasiye kaunhu kavo ikako, because magara muri kungotengesa, muri kunodya neZANU-PF. Now nyaya yandiri kuuya nayo panapa nhasi muri Zimbabwe, it's a topic yakatosiyanawo neimwe yamuri kufungidzira. Nyaya iripo ndeyaAdvocate Nelson Chamisa. Vari kutsura vanhu vese vanga vachitaura ma-MPs vari kunzi vaenda kuPrickep Farm, including Sengezo Shabangu wacho. Ndo pari kunzi be true in life, never sell your soul to evil, never trade your heart for anything, never be controlled or captured. Money or power is not everything, integrity is. Blessed Sunday vatorova zvavo sign out vavatoenda. Ndo mashoko vari kubuda vari kutaura. I think zviri zvezvimwe zvese zviri kuitika, zviri zvama-MP, anything, zvinhu zvakawandisa zviri kuitika. I think zvimwe zvese munokwanisa kunge mazvionera, but inini ndangoti choose this one kuti ndingokuonesai zvinhu zviripo. Munozviziva kuti inini I will never disappoint, and ndiri munhu wekuti ndinobata nguva. Saka ndo message inaAdvocate Nelson Chamisa muzuva reSunday yanhasi pane zvinhu zviri kuitika. Handisi kuzivawo kuti imimo muri kutiwo kudii, munoionawo sei message iyi. Kana uchinge une something to say, commenta below comment section uchindiudzawo zvauri kufunga. But kana uchinge uchida kusenda audio voice rako kuti tinge tichizoisawo pachannel ugonzwikawo sezviri kuitwa vamwe, namba dziri kubuda pascreen idzodzo ndo basa radzo. Unokwanisa kungosenda audio yako direct tobva tasangana kuinbox ikokoko, ndobva ndava ndoiplaya panapa. Sarai makateerera yandava nayo muzondiudzawo zvamuri kufunga.
My fellow Zimbabweans, I know we are all yearning for freedom. We are all yearning for better life. We are all yearning for good roads, for functioning factories, for booming cities. We are all yearning for Harare, which would be Harare, Bulawayo, which would be Bulawayo. We are all praying that our children go to school and to good schools. We are all desiring that after they finish, they have employment. But more than that, we are also yearning for at least a sense of security financially, economically. These are our dreams. We have many more dreams. We have our collective dreams as a people. Our collective dreams as a nation, and our collective dreams as villages. But I think we're aware that all the yearning, all our dreams, all our hopes are melting into nothingness. The reason is simple. Those that are holding the reins of power do not desire that we get a morsel, a very small piece of all the things we yearn for. And we have got our own tragedy. At one time we looked to take care, to do it for us, to do it for us, and to many others who rose as politicians, and they all failed. I do not know, I'm not talking about their genuineness or anything of the kind. I'm merely looking at where we placed them, how much we invested our hopes in them, in how much our hopes were dashed. And then there came Morgan Tsvangirai. We sang his name, chanted his slogans, carried his party cards, and wore his party t-shirts. He was our all, but it all came to nothing. And then there arose Chamisa. And even today, there is still a multitude of people who still look to Chamisa to do it for us. There is a lot of people who say, if only Chamisa could do this, if only Chamisa could do this. And now, Chiwenga, we are all saying, if Chiwenga could do this, if the army could do this. Ours are hopes against hopes and expectation against expectation. It is not going to happen. The power for deliverance is in our hands. I like these gentlemen who are choosing to unite us through the news, through telling us what is happening. They are doing a great deal of work. For example, the one through whom I'm speaking now, they are doing a great deal of work. They are sharpening our minds, informing us so that we know where we are. But they are also, as it were, saying, look at where you are going. Is this what you want? But we have put our hands folded. We still believe that there is a Chamisa somewhere, a Chiwenga somewhere. The power for deliverance is in our hands, but we are actually offloading it onto Chiwenga, onto Chamisa. They've got their own burdens. To know that they are in danger. They are in danger themselves. Can we not, as a people, channel our energy together and take the bull by the horns? I know this sounds too militant, too radical, too belligerent, but this is the way to go. We are never going to be free in this country except we take the path of belligerence, except we take the path of militance, except we take the path of rising up against the dictator. Forget it. You are never going to be free. Your roads are never going to be what you dream them to be. Your industries are never going to be anything other than what you see them now. They will get worse actually. But if you rise, there shall be bodies on the streets. Yes, there shall be wounds, there shall be blood gushing out of wounds. But the truth is that is the way to go. Do you realize that these people, when they thought it was not right, they were not treated right, they defined the enemy and they defined their objectives. They identified the enemy, assessed the enemy, and employed the means that would uproot the enemy. But we are sitting, you wouldn't believe Zimbabweans are adults. We are sitting daydreaming that one day change will come. It never will. I hope one will hear and together we speak about this and together we go to the streets and together we die and live. We shall live and die, some of us. That is needed.